One day I went to a cafe. It was a cozy place, and I just wanted to sit and relax. I called the waiter and asked, "What is the Wi-Fi password?" He smiled and said, "Order first." I was a little confused. I thought, oh, I need to buy something to use the Wi-Fi. So I said, okay, I will have a coffee. After a few minutes, he brought my coffee. I took a sip and asked again, "Can you tell me the Wi-Fi password now?" The waiter laughed and said, "Order first." I stared at him, but I already ordered coffee. He smiled and said, "Yes, and the Wi-Fi password is order first." I laughed so much. It was just a funny misunderstanding. Now let's move to the next part. I will explain some important words from the story. Are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, let's start with the first word, cozy. Cozy. A similar word for cozy is comfortable or warm. So it means a place or thing that feels nice, relaxing, and makes you feel good. For example, on a cold day, I love sitting in my cozy blanket with a cup of tea. Next, we have waiter. Waiter. Another word for waiter is server. A waiter is a person who works in a restaurant and brings food and drinks to customers. For example, the waiter recommended a delicious dish, so I decided to try it. Okay, next we have the word sip. Sip. A sip means taking a small amount of liquid, usually to taste or because the drink is hot. For example, she took a sip of her juice before speaking. The next word is confused. Confused. A similar word is puzzled or uncertain. When you are confused, it means you don't understand something clearly. For example, I was confused when I saw two buses with the same number. I didn't know which one to take. Next, we have made sense. Made sense. This means something is now clear or logical. For example, at first I didn't understand the math problem, but after my teacher explained it, it made sense. Finally, let's talk about misunderstanding. Misunderstanding. A misunderstanding happens when two people do not understand each other correctly. For example, I thought the meeting was at 3 p.m., but it was actually at 2 p.m. It was just a misunderstanding. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. This really helps me continue making more videos for you. And thank you again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.